Hey y'all.
Oh no, we gotta go pick it up, remember?
That scared me.
Yeah, it's okay, I will. Later on we can.
Oh my gosh. Hey y'all. I can't do ramen whenever it's like that. I'm sorry. Got some water. Oops. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm actually gonna introduce y'all. You don't mind if I show them, right?
What?
You introduce.
Who are you? Who are you gonna tell us?
Hey y'all. It's just YouTube video. Okay y'all. Introducing. I'm gonna introduce y'all. Okay y'all.
No.
So yeah. Okay. This is my number 2 mom.
Hi, who's that?
This is YouTube.
Oh, hi.
Hello, YouTube.
Oh, hello.
This is my best friend / girlfriend.
Hi.
This is Cam, my bestie on my basketball team.
Hi.
Basketball, football, y'all played
Yes.
everything together last year. My goodness.
Right, Cam?
Right, I'm right.
Yes, of course you're right.
You're awesome sauce. Subscribe to his YouTube, everyone.
Oh yes, guys, this is a shout out to Cam. What's your YouTube, Cam?
Doki the dog.
Doki the dog. This is YouTube channel.
Dog. Tell him the YouTube cam.
What's your YouTube, Cam?
Yes.
Your YouTube, Doki the dog.
Yes.
Is that all your YouTube?
Yes.
Doki the dog is his YouTube. Please go subscribe to Cam.
Yes.
Right, Cam?
Right.
And yeah. So this is a shout out. I honestly don't even think I'm gonna eat all this. Like, this is like squishy and gooey. Like SHIT from the toilet. I gotta get up real quick. I'm throwing these away. Well, actually, I'm not. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna be doing some exercise in this video, okay, y'all? So, number 1, we're going to be doing 1 push-up. Oh.
Be careful.
Okay. Number 2, we are going to be doing 1 sit-up. Oh, I got this, y'all. Oh.
Here, try that out a little bit.
Did y'all see that, y'all? It's called a sit-up. Number 3, we're gonna be doing the plate. Hold it and fall. Ugh. Number 4, we will be doing the hair flip. That's the hair flip. All of y'all should know what the hair flip is. Number 5, I don't give a fuck about you, Chelsea.
Release that.
Wait, what?
Number 5. Number 5.
What?
Look good to look pretty.
Look good to look pretty. You gotta get to number 1, to second base. Okay.
You wanna do this, Taylor?
Yeah. And number 6, I gotta go, y'all. See y'all. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to Doki.